Looking for the perfect solid MIG welding wire that delivers clean, strong welds every time? Whether you're a pro welder or a weekend warrior, the right wire makes all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best solid MIG welding wires that you can trust for performance, consistency, and quality. Let's dive right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Vevor solid MIG welding wire. The Vevor 0.3011 LBS ER70S6 solid MIG welding wire is designed to provide reliable and high-quality welds for a variety of carbon steel applications. It stands out for its enhanced composition, featuring higher levels of manganese and silicon compared to standard MIG welding wires. This unique formulation enables welders to achieve superior results, even when working with challenging materials such as dirty, oily, or rusted steel. One of the standout features of this welding wire is its robust and durable spool. The spool ensures convenient storage and portability, reducing the risk of wire breakage and minimizing material wastage. This contributes significantly to operational efficiency, ensuring smooth and consistent welding throughout the process. The wire is engineered for smooth and uninterrupted feeding, allowing welders to perform continuous welding operations without the need for frequent wire replacements. This feature not only boosts productivity but also minimizes the risk of wastage, making it an efficient choice for both novice and experienced welders alike. Weld joints made with the Vevor 0.30R70S6 wire exhibit strong structural integrity, providing high stability and durability. These welds are ideal for applications that require strength and reliability, such as bridges, ships, and heavy machinery, where the welds must withstand significant loads or vibrations. With its wide range of applications, this MIG wire is a versatile choice for industries like metal manufacturing, shipbuilding, and bridge construction. Whether you're repairing machinery or working on large-scale industrial projects, the Vevor ER70S6 solid MIG welding wire ensures top-quality results. Coming in at number 4, the Arccaptain solid MIG welding wire. The Arccaptain ER70S6 MIG welding wire 30 is engineered to meet the highest industry standards, offering welders a reliable and efficient solution for a variety of welding tasks. With a net weight of 10 lbs, this wire ensures consistent performance and superior strength, delivering results that are both durable and visually appealing. One of the standout features of this welding wire is its smooth feeding and stable welding parameters. These characteristics allow for optimal penetration and high deposition rates, ensuring exceptional overall performance during the welding process. This wire is specifically designed to provide a seamless welding experience, offering easy control and stable arcs for both novice and experienced welders. The Arccaptain welding wire undergoes rigorous testing and has received TV certification, a testament to its reliability and quality. A carefully balanced combination of manganese and silicon deoxidizers ensures efficient deoxidization of the weld pool, resulting in high-quality welds with minimal impurities. This precise formulation contributes to the integrity of the weld, making it an excellent choice for projects that demand both strength and aesthetics. Welders will appreciate the smooth and consistent weld beads produced by this wire. Its excellent wetting characteristics ensure proper molten metal flow, reducing the need for post-weld cleanup and making the welds visually appealing. Additionally, the wire's optimal arc characteristics minimize spatter, promoting a clean and neat weld appearance. For those seeking ease of use, the Arccaptain MIG welding wire excels in providing excellent arc stability and feedability. Whether you're just starting out or have years of experience, this wire offers the precision and control needed to create strong, durable welds with confidence. The Arccaptain .30 MIG welding wire is the ideal choice for professionals and hobbyists alike, offering high-quality results, exceptional ease of use, and unmatched performance. At number 3, we have the Tooliom solid MIG welding wire. The Tooliom solid MIG welding wire is designed to meet the demands of both professional and hobbyist welders. Conforming to the AWS 5.18 ER70S6 specification, this wire offers superior performance for a variety of welding tasks. It is available in a convenient 10-pound spool with a 0.30-inch diameter, providing the flexibility required for both single and multi-pass welding in all positions. This ER70's 6 mild steel welding wire is specially formulated with higher levels of manganese and silicon compared to standard MIG wires. These elements help improve the weld's cleanliness and overall strength, ensuring a higher quality finish with fewer impurities. The composition of this wire makes it ideal for a wide range of welding applications, especially for tasks that require a clean and reliable finish. The Tooliom solid MIG welding wire is compatible with 100% CO2 or CO2/argon mixed shielding gases, offering the versatility needed for various welding environments. This wire is specifically suited for use with the Tooliom TL200M and TL250M Pro MIG welders, ensuring a smooth and efficient welding experience when paired with these machines. Whether you're working on heavy-duty projects or smaller welding tasks, the Tooliom MIG welding wire delivers consistency and precision, making it an excellent choice for achieving strong, high-quality welds in different settings. Next up at number 2 is the Yeswelder solid MIG welding wire. Yeswelder solid MIG welding wire is a reliable and versatile choice for various welding applications. It is the most commonly used copper-coated mild steel wire for gas metal arc welding, commonly known as MIG welding. This wire is ideal for both single and multiple pass welds, providing a consistent and efficient performance. One of the standout features of the ER70's 6 wire is its high combination of manganese and silicon deoxidizers. These elements allow for higher welding currents, making it suitable for use with 100% CO2 shielding gas. This results in a smoother weld bead with minimal to no post-weld cleanup, reducing the time and effort needed for finishing the weld. The wire ensures strong, durable welds with excellent bead formation, even in challenging conditions. The ER70's 6 wire is perfect for a wide range of applications, including construction work, farm implement fabrication, shaft buildup, tank and truck body repairs, and general shop applications. It excels in situations where there is poor fit-up or where the materials are rusty or oily, making it a reliable choice for tough and challenging welding jobs. Additionally, Yeswelder has used new ABS materials in the packaging, which are more durable and resistant to falls compared to standard materials. This ensures that the wire remains intact and protected during storage and transportation, making it a reliable addition to any welder's toolkit. Finally, at number 1, we have the Inefil solid MIG welding wire. Inefil solid MIG welding wire is a premium welding consumable designed to provide exceptional results in various welding applications. Crafted with a commitment to quality and performance, this wire ensures low spatter, high feedability, and porosity-free welds. With its impressive bead appearance and easy-to-weld nature, it offers a reliable solution for both single and multi-pass welding. The wire is suitable for carbon and carbon manganese steels, making it a versatile choice for a range of industries. Whether you're working on structural components or automotive parts, Inefil solid MIG welding wire delivers consistent, high-quality results. The wire requires shielding gas for optimal performance, with options including a blend of 80% argon and 20% CO2, or 100% CO2. Manufactured in Italy, Inefil MIG welding wire is produced using state-of-the-art technology and the finest materials. This ensures durability and long-lasting performance even under demanding conditions. Additionally, the wire is produced under highly respected labor conditions, reflecting a commitment to both quality and ethical practices. Inefil solid MIG welding wire meets a variety of industry approvals, including ABS, TUV, DB, DNV, LRS, RINA, and GL, guaranteeing its suitability for use in a wide range of professional settings. With its excellent technical characteristics and versatile applications, this wire is a top choice for welders seeking precision and reliability.